Welcome. In front of me is a ThinkPhone by Motorola, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and on one of the pages you should have a Do Not Disturb. Now for me it's actually on the first page right over here. So once you find your toggle, simply hold it first time around. This will take you to the settings where you can just get a glance at how it's set by default. If something doesn't fit your needs, simply change it. So here we go. Now one more thing that I'll mention while we are in here is the duration for quick settings. This option basically defines what happens when you press on that toggle right here. And I would recommend for people that tend to forget to turn things off on their phone to set it on a timer. Maybe just increase the timer to something like 4 hours, or whatever you feel you will need, and that will result in you having a timed Do Not Disturb mode every time you tap on the toggle. Which again, if you tend to forget it, it's a better alternative just because the phone will turn it off for you after the set amount of hours right here. You could also set it up to ask you every time and give you the first two options every time, so you could change the timer every single time when you tap on it. But anyway, once you're done, or once you actually want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and you're done. It's now running. Now because I have it set on a timer, it shows me that it's going to be running till almost 6 p.m. Which is the 4 hours, and I can turn it off before that time just by simply tapping on it once again. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.